Good morning children, this video is for class 8 subject geography and the topic is migration. I'll tell you about migration and types of migration. Yes, please see. Migration is movement of people between regions or countries. So people can migrate from one area to another area within a country or outside the country. Now types of migration. Immigration and emigration. Please see the spelling starting with I and here E. When people move from one country to another country permanently. So when people move from one country to another country permanently, and for example, a family or an individual move from India to Australia. From one country to another country. So, for Australia, it is termed as immigration. और जिस कंट्री को वो छोड़कर जा रहे हैं, for India, it is termed as emigration. Now, second point is in migration and out migration. It is internal migration. Internal migration, or we can say migration within a country. For example, when someone moves from Punjab to Delhi, it means a person is migrating within a country from Punjab to Delhi. So for Delhi, it is in migration. और जिस प्लेस को लीव कर रहे हैं, आउट माइग्रेशन. So this is within a country, and this is from one country to another. Now third point. Internal migration and external migration. Internal migration means the movement of people in different states and region within a country from one place to another. So, for example, from one state to another state within a country. That is internal migration. Now please see external migration. It is also called international migration. International migration, external migration, movement of people from one country to another for permanent settlement. So that is external migration. From one country to another country. It is also called international migration. So dear children, please read it and try to understand it with the help of example I have given you. So that's all for today. Thank you.